I've logged into PursueApp, and this is the dashboard. You can see in a bird's eye view of how your campaigns are doing, how's your marketing going right now in this place. So you can see things like how many leads you have, how many leads are verified, because PursueApp is the only cold email marketing software that can actually verify your leads. Here's the thing: when you're bringing in leads from the web, you're copying leads from websites or yellow pages or directories and putting them inside the app, you have to make sure that these leads are 100% accurate, that they're correct. Because if you are mailing to incorrect leads, to bad leads, then you're going to be marked a spammer and your mail account is going to be closed very fast. Now, Pursue app has a system in which it will verify every single email ID that you put in, make sure it's authentic, and only mail to the authentic and correct leads. Then it'll also give you things like how many mails have been sent, how many mails have been written, how many mails were opened, the total number of visits, and the conversions. And you can see all of this information visually, and you can also see the campaigns that you're running and how effective the campaigns are, all in one place in the dashboard. Then we've got the lists, and everybody is familiar with this. This is the place where you bring in your leads. So you can just create a list, and then you can either import the lists using a CSV file, or you can even add your leads manually. Just enter the name and the phone number and add the leads manually. You can see all the leads over here along with the status. Is this lead valid? Is it invalid? What kind of interaction this lead has done with you? All of this information is available on per lead basis inside of Pursue app in the list section, and you can create a separate list for each topic, each product you have, anything you want. Then you've got email verification, and this is something that you really need, but most software don't have it. It's the system in which any lead that you put in is first going to be verified, and Pursue app is only going to mail verified leads. Finally, you can actually set up campaigns for your cold emails. That's where the magic sauce is. You can create a campaign to send out mail sequences to your prospectives, and this is done in a wonderful manner inside of Pursue app. Here you've got this beautiful campaign designer which can let you decide exactly how you want the emails to flow. For example, you can see here that this is the first mail that will be sent, and if you click on it, you will see these icons which will let you do things like see who has the mail been sent to, what's the interaction. You can edit the mail, you can edit the mail content, you can stylize it. We've got all sorts of formatting options. We've got snippets which are ready-made text options that you can put in. You can even select templates, because Pursue app supports colored templates or designs, absolutely any template you want. And we also have split testing. So if you got multiple emails for a campaign for a particular level, you can do that, and you will know exactly which email is doing better so that you can decide and send the email that is performing better. So all of this is part of the campaign designer. Every level of the email has some options, like there are actions. Was the mail opened? Was the link visited? Did the conversion happen? Or if the mail wasn't opened, and based on these actions, you can select what to do next. So for example, here, if the mail was opened, then you can send out a second email if no further action was taken. You can create sequences and chains of these emails. For example, the first email, if the mail wasn't opened, you can send out this unopened sequence. If that mail was not opened, you can send out another sequence. If the link was visited, you can send the person to somebody else. You can cross chain them together. You can link one email to another email. And from any email, you can send people to any email. So basically, you can create a workflow of emails based on what your prospect is interacting, what your prospect is doing with your emails. If somebody is warm, if somebody is interacting, you can send them an invitation to convert. If somebody is not reacting at all, you can send them reminders like, hey, I sent you a mail some time ago, but you haven't seen it yet, or anything that you want to say. You can make very custom, very tailor-made email sequences that make the customer feel, that make the prospect feel that they are custom written just for them. Pursue app supports multiple mailing systems. You can add your Gmail accounts, you can add Office 365 accounts, you can add G Suite accounts, or you can add your custom SMTPs too. And in each campaign, you can decide which accounts to use. You can even use multiple accounts in one campaign if you want, so that each mail will go up from a different place. PursueApp also has support for spin text, and you can use spin text in your email titles or even in the content. So each email that goes out is going to be 100% unique. Each email is going to be 100% individual. PursueApp also supports themes. So if you want a custom email format with your own header, your own footer, you can create it and actually modify your own theme inside of PursueApp itself. It also has snippets which are pre-made content. So you can make a snippet very easily. And if you want to place this snippet inside of an email, just put the snippet using the shortcode and your emails will have that snippet inside. So you will not have to repeat content in many places. And anytime you want to make a change to several emails, you can do it inside the snippet, and that content will be changed in all those emails. Next, you also have forms. If you're going to grab leads from a web page or a landing page, you can create forms. And PursueApp also has support for APIs and trackers. We have full support for Zapier, and it's also got its own custom API conversion tracking too, so that you can track your conversions and also bring your leads from anywhere, be it any CRM or even your custom websites. With PursueApp, it just works. So now that you've seen PursueApp in action, I just want to remind you that PursueApp is on a special sale right now, and you can grab it for a crazy price. The competition right now is charging at least $50 a month, not for $50 a month, to give you the same features as PursueApp. And some of them are even charging $100 a month to give you the same features as PursueApp. But you can get PursueApp right now in this sale for 90% less. So don't miss this opportunity. Cold email is something that you need to do. It's not something that you can skip if you want to get success. And PursueApp is just going to make it easier. You'll be able to create amazing campaigns without having to worry about complicated manual work.